So in class you do a lot of plans, often big plans, takes 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes to do the plan. You do it really thoroughly. Of course in the real exam you haven't got 10, 15, 20 minutes. You've got more like 2 minutes or at most 3 minutes to plan. So this video is going to look at how to plan really quickly under the pressure of an exam. The question we'll take as our example is here, question C, should referendums be used more widely in the UK? Now the annoying thing is the question paper will have the questions at the start and you'll be answering this somewhere through the pack. So one thing you might like to do is literally just bend over the question paper like so. So you've got there the space you're going to be planning and writing in, and on the left you can still see the question. Just helps you at a glance to have it all to hand. Now you've got to really analyse the question carefully. So you'll be looking for the task word in the question. What is it you're going to be asked to do? In this case, that should. And then the topic words, referendums be used more widely in the UK. So you're being asked, should they be used more widely? Shouldn't they be used more widely? And in your planning space, that's what you do next. You create your table. On the left, yes, they should be used more widely. On the right, no, they shouldn't be used more widely. Next job, you're just thinking about your key arguments. What are the arguments going to be on the yes side? And there they are. And what are the arguments going to be on the no side? There they are. You notice each time I'm just putting codes for things like direct dem, pol ed, resp government, responsive government, etc. etc. Just keep it really concise. All that matters is you can understand it. So just a little code that makes sense to you is fantastic. I then did a little bit of work about thinking about how the stuff on the left might connect to the stuff on the right. So, well, referendums are a good example of direct democracy. Perhaps it doesn't give you a reliable view of the public's view, it's just a snapshot of their view at the moment in time. Yes, it might educate the public, but the problem is they're so informed to start with, and actually the referendum campaigns don't educate terribly well because the pressure groups are so biased that the public still remain ill-informed, particularly on very complex decisions like the current EU referendum question. And lastly, while it might create responsive government, it can also create irresponsible government, which isn't taking responsibility for the decisions and instead is passing that over to the public. So in each case I'm saying, well, I'm not really sure about the arguments on the left. They always seem to be undermined by one of the arguments on the right. And for that reason, I'm going to come down on the no side. No, they shouldn't be used more widely. And I tend to just finish my plan by putting a little tick on the side that I believe in. So I'll put the tick on the right hand side, and that will form my line of argument. And throughout the essay I'm going to really try and stress that side, though I will look at both sides, I'll really try and stress the side I actually believe in. So there you have it. That's how to plan a question in 2 minutes, perhaps less than that.